In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in Jira. Let's dive right in and make sure you feel confident in managing your Jira tasks efficiently. To start, it's important to make sure that you're properly logged into your Jira account. Once that's settled, the journey begins on the Jira dashboard, which serves as the mission control for all your project tasks and activities. Now let's head over to the Your Work section. This area is your personalized space within Jira, where you can view tasks and projects that are specific to your account, essentially streamlining all your responsibilities and project involvements in one accessible location. Once you are in the Your Work section, you'll see a list of projects you're currently involved in. Take a moment to browse through and identify the particular project containing the task you want to delete. Selecting projects carefully helps ensure that you're focusing on the right context. After selecting the appropriate project, it's time to turn your attention to the backlog. In project management terms, the backlog is essentially a holding area for tasks and future activities that have yet to be prioritized or worked on. Click on Backlog to enter this space. This area is critical because it provides a comprehensive view of tasks that are waiting in line, making it easier to manage your workload and make informed decisions about task prioritization. Now that you're in the backlog, find the task you want to delete. This is an important step, as selecting the correct task will ensure that you're modifying or removing the right item. Carefully scanning through the list of tasks is crucial to avoid any accidental deletions of important work items. Once you've found the specific task, click on it to reveal more options. Next, you'll want to locate the three-dot menu, often called the More Options or Ellipses menu. This is a common interface feature in many software applications, typically offering additional actions or settings that are not immediately displayed on the main interface. Clicking on this three-dot menu reveals an extended list of possible actions you can take regarding the selected task. In the drop-down list that appears after clicking the three-dot menu, you'll see an option to delete the task. Selecting delete will prompt a confirmation message, usually warning you about the permanent nature of this action. It's a good idea to pause and ensure you're ready to make this irreversible change. Deleting a task removes it completely from the project history, so if you're certain this task is no longer necessary, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to delete a task in Jira. Remember, managing your tasks effectively is key to maintaining an organized and productive workflow, and being able to remove tasks that are no longer needed is an essential part of this process. Before you go, remember to check back regularly to keep on top of your project updates and task lists. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, empowering you with the knowledge to handle your Jira tasks smartly and efficiently. If you have any further questions or need more tips on using Jira, feel free to explore additional resources or reach out to the community for support. Thank you, and see you in the next video.